Hey y'all, and welcome back to Thick Peach Creation. I am Chanel. Thank you so much for coming by and hanging out with me. Please go ahead and like and subscribe the video. I would really love it for you guys to be a part of the family. So as you can see, I am doing a voiceover. Currently right now, while I'm doing this voiceover, it's like 4:30 in the morning, y'all. I couldn't sleep, so I'm doing it. So as you can see, I showed you guys the fabric. I'm showing you the thread I'm using. And this video is all about quilting. Well, me quilting for my online store. So if you don't know, or you haven't been, or even if you haven't checked out my online store, the link is down below in the description box. So you guys saw the fabric that I was showing you guys. I know for y'all on YouTube, my shop hasn't been open that long. But at the time of me filming this, my shop has been open for 2 weeks and I already sold out of 2 items, and I'm currently getting ready to replace those or restock those items. So this particular pattern is one that actually sold out the first night my shop opened, and it took me 2 weeks to get back to restocking it. So I just wanted to show you guys the quilting process. I started quilting actually the night before I'm doing this voiceover, and it was like 9:30, 10 o'clock when I actually sat down. So I just wanted to share a little bit of my process with you guys. If you guys are curious, I am a self-taught sewist. I first learned how to sew when my mother-in-law gave me a sewing machine that was brand new in the box that she happened to have in her storage for over 10 years. And she never used it. It was still brand new, still in the box. And that was a Singer. I don't remember which one, but I self-taught myself how to sew. That was probably when my youngest was 2, and he is currently 11. So a long time ago. Since then, I have made, I guess when I first learned how to sew, I made a little mini backpack. I made me a skirt. I made me my first tote bag, which I'm pretty sure you guys saw in a previous video. And that was just the start. And then I stopped for years, messed up the sewing machine, didn't know I was supposed to take it to go get it cleaned and serviced. Moved out to Texas about 6 years ago. COVID hit 2 months later, and I ended up buying me a new sewing machine. And I bought the Singer Confident Quilter that I still have. And I was making face masks, and I was selling face masks. It's been a journey. It has been, but now I'm back into sewing. As you can see, I now own a brother. I'm showing you guys what the finished look looks like on me quilting these. So the first fabric you saw is a rectangle. I know I was giving you a little history, but that were rectangles. Those are actually my pencil pouches or my sunglass pouches, because sunglasses can fit in them. Not all sunglasses, but the majority of sunglasses can fit in those pouches. Now the ones that I'm doing here that are a little smaller, these are my keychain wallets. So I know like the number looks off where you only see 5 pieces, because I had 1 piece previously done when I first launched, and I couldn't find the second one, so I just saved it, and come to find out I never did the second piece. So that's why you only see 5. There's actually going to be 6 in total. So I'm just replacing the pencil pouches. I don't know if you can see, but I have mines that I keep for myself over to the right of my arm. So when I originally put that one together, I put one of the pieces upside down and didn't realize it after I was done. So I just kept it for myself. But anyways, I'm just quilting along here. I just thought I would come on here and share a little bit about myself. But I'm going to let you guys watch a little, and I'll come back on later on. All right. All right, y'all, I am back. I realized I stated a mistake, okay? Mom brain. By the way, happy early Mother's Day. So I'm pretty sure by the time this comes out, Mother's Day will be right around the corner. As of right now, at the time of me doing this voiceover, it's about 2 weeks away. Anyways, you guys. So my youngest is not 11, okay? My youngest is currently 13. I have 3 boys, 13, 15, and 17. Y'all, mom brain. Okay, but anyways, as you guys can see, I am not using a quilting guide. Do I have one? Yes, I actually have 3 of them, the same exact ones, but I am just doing straight stitches, straight down. With my keychain wallets, I know I need 5 stitches, so, you know, y'all, I just eyeball it and go, I just do straight stitches. So as you can see right here, I'm just taking out my thumb pins and I use them to make sure that nothing shifts or moves, even though I cut so much extra batting around it. This just ensures nothing moves while I'm sewing, and essentially I can start using less batting. So as you can see, I am now cutting the sides or the extra batting off. This is a part where I dislike because I wasted so much batting, which I could have used it for a whole nother piece. So I'm trying to reduce the amount of extra batting I leave on the sides now, but I'm just showing you guys me cutting the extra off. Like a little extra off the sides, like the little tiny piece, like this little piece right here, you know, that's fine. I don't mind that. It's when, you know, there's too much extra, it just, you know, kind of makes me sad. But at the same time, I use a piece of batting I had left over for these. Well, a cup. There's like 2 pieces of batting on each of these pieces. Because that's just how I happen to like my bags. I like them to look a little puffy, but at the same time to have some stability to them. All right, now that my mom brain has been unclouded, you guys, I'm not going to show you guys this whole process of me cutting, but at the same time, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, I'm showing you my favorite pair of scissors. Next, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make sure that I have enough pieces for each product. Okay, 2 outside linings, or outside fabrics. And then I'm going to show you guys the lining pieces. I use the same lining for all of my bags. It's just easier that way instead of having to remember which particular fabric has what lining. Just put them all together. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye.